Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to repair your motorcycle in Once Human. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So the first thing you need to do is to go into your garage right here, as you can see, or this thing right here. I'm going to show you on the builder mode. So if you click on B and then right click, obviously, and then we're going to click on facilities, and then I think it is right here. Yeah, and this one right here. You need to build this one to be able to actually repair it. Then you need to come to this like thing right here and then click on F. Then you're going to have your motorcycle right here, as you can see. And you're going to now click on here or click on G to be able to repair it, as you can see. And this is the material that you need to be able to repair it. So after you have actually, I have I'm just missing this one, as you can see. But if I actually were able to actually repair it, I will be able to view like a button in here that I can click on. And this is basically exactly how to do this.